Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Spidey, and this is our pilot episode using the GoPro Max. And today we're going also to go to Novaliches to attend the Honda launch of whatever it is that they want to reveal. Secret pa daw. Alright guys, we'll go to Novaliches. So, samahan niyo ko ah.
A few moments later.
11 meters, very media friends, and most of all on the front, Mada Hamosa Ion Tahan.
Alright guys, mag-iingay ah. So papasok na tayo sa Robinson's Novaliches. Dito yung launch ng latest motorcycle ni Honda. Hindi pa niya sinasabi sa atin kung ano. So malalaman natin yan in a few minutes. Yan lang, tugs-tugs na. So ladies and gentlemen, ang i-reveal ni Honda Philippines ay
The all-new Honda Supra GTR 150, our racing legends, Moto and Troy Alberto. The all-new Honda Supra GTR 150 is all about being super. An awesome design makes you stand out with the powerful features that will help you take the lead. Everyone, the speed of the racer, the all-new Honda Supra GTR 150.
okay, so we'll have a test drive later para masubukan din natin kung ano first-hand experience itong Honda Supra GTR 150cc. But before that, let's give you first a closer look about this new motorcycle from Honda. Here it is,
Mula
guys.
ng ating speed as a racer, the all-new Honda Supra GTR 150. Yabang na mga camera. Again, we are inviting you. Punta na kayo sa ating test ride area. Eto na. Papakitaan na tayo ng ating dalawa sa idol racers.
Kaya mayaw yan, kuya.
Para makisaya sa Honda One Trip All Tour. Nabitin yun ang #1 motorcycle brand Honda.
Hey mga Honda riders, let's give him some love. Palakpakan naman natin ang president ng Honda Philippines Incorporated. Ayan. Siya ay magdadrive ng all-new Honda Supra GTR 150.
Okay. Test drive na tayo ha. Pero wait. Flex ko lang to mga bago kong nakilala mga moto vloggers na mga friend ko na ngayon sa Facebook. Ito sila. Pasok.
Guys, I have here some of the moto vloggers. I ride Manila. Here you go. We met at the Honda ADV. There you go. And yeah. And here are the rest. Guys, mga moto vloggers. Hi, hello po. Hello. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Dito sa kabila eh.
Dito ako para maiba. Pakiikot!
Uy! Wow! Oh guys, shoutout yung mga vlogs nyo. Shoutout Polarize po. Nakakalimutan. Yung Wala po, no? Ito po, 2 years na itong t-shirt ko. Weekend Rider.
Shoutout po, Dodge Moto Vlog.
Alright. Friend na kami niya sa Facebook, guys.
Alright!
Bibili ng camera.
Road game pa. May discount, may discount.
And syempre guys, nandito rin ang mabait at poging si JT ng Motor.
Vloggers tayo, kasama natin si JT. Yan.
Hello, Tito Spidey.
Sa JT ng Motor. Alam nyo, ano ulit, trivia. Nung bibili ako ng motor, sa kanya ko nakita yung NMAX. So siya yung isa sa mga influencer ko pagdating ko sa pagbili ko ng NMAX. And finally, na-meet kita nung meron ko to sa isang
Honda event. Yes, Honda Big
650R.
Yes.
Yes, so kami nagkakilala ni so nandito kami ngayon, we're going to test the GTR 150.
Yeah, the Supra GTR 150.
Right, so it's out now. And magte-test drive kami.
Yeah. Exciting. Exciting ka.
Why lang? Grabe ka.
Okay, so balik tayo sa ating test drive. I don't know if you're going to appreciate this because this is a first person view. But nonetheless, pakita ko na rin sa inyo na this is my first time to test drive an underbone. Manual lang, cambio, ibig sabihin may clutch ka in this test drive. 2 beses ako namatayan eh. Kasi sanay tayo na automatic lang kasi nga yun, scooter ang ginagamit natin. So here we go guys with our test drive of the all-new Honda Supra GTR
Alright guys,
150.
so let's test this. This is the GTR Supra 150.
kahit apa, kahit bull, bote ang unang mapuno, sisigaw ng ALL-NEW Honda sa halaman. Mamaya
Sa likod. Fully manual and underground.
Papalitan na kayo sa akin namin. Ganun mo lang na ha? Ladies, ready? Ready? Camera, go! Dito sila gawan! Yan o, teamwork! Teamwork makes the dream work! Ayan, ayan, ayan! Kalahin mo mas maraming pang natapon ka sa nakasali. Balik, balik, balik! Woo!
So guys, dito na siguro natin tatapusin yung moto vlog nito, itong coverage natin ng launch ng Honda GTR Supra 150cc motorcycle dito sa Novaliches, Quezon City. Pula na yung battery ko, so we have to finish this now. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in our next video.